few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all carry-on items completely stowed until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please remember to check around your seats for any personal belongings you may have brought on board, and always use caution when you open the overhead compartments. Feel free to switch your cell phones out of airplane mode at this time. If you are connecting here in Chicago, you can find all of the latest gate connection and flight information at united.com, on the United website, or throughout the terminal on the TV monitors.